Hey y'all, I'm Michelin star trained chef AG, and today I'm going to show you how to make a springtime asparagus dish with the classic French sauce gribiche. Start by cutting the stalks off of your asparagus. Make sure you have a pot of salted water going to blanch the asparagus in. Be careful to not over blanch your asparagus. We still want it to have a little bit of a crunch. Ideally, you want to blanch your asparagus just before you're going to put it on the plate, but in this video, we're doing it first. Time to chop some herbs: thyme, parsley, tarragon, chives. You're going to chop them up super fine. Let that knife just go to town. If you're liking this video and getting value, make sure you smash that like button. Next, take a hard-boiled egg, cut it in half, and separate the whites from the yolks. Next, we're going to want to sieve the eggs. I'm pressing it through a tammy, but you can use a china cap, a chinois, or you can just grate it. I've been trained to sieve my yolks and whites separately, but honestly, you can do it at the same time. We need some finely chopped shallot, so follow this process and your shallots will come out perfectly every time. Also, make sure not to cut your finger. Now put all those ingredients that you chopped, sieved, diced into one bowl. Add a little champagne vinegar, a little sherry vinegar, a little salt and pepper, and you're going to whisk it as you drizzle in your olive oil. You're going to want to whisk to emulsify. If you don't know what emulsify is, leave me a question in the comments. Next, we're going to blanch about 1.5 cups of spinach. Make sure you have an ice bath ready to go. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you're liking this video and want to see more like it, you smash that bell. Go on, smash it. Pull the spinach in your ice bath. Squeeze the excess water out. Place in a paper towel and press. Place the spinach in a blender, a tablespoon of water, salt, pepper, maybe a little lemon juice, and blend it till it's smooth and tasty. This is my favorite part of making this dish. Let me know in the comments if you had fun with it too. Place the asparagus over the splat. Take that beautiful sauce gribiche that you made, and we're gonna drizzle it over the asparagus. Next, we're going to top it with a perfectly poached egg. If you want to know how to perfectly poach an egg, check out my video on 3 ways to perfectly poach an egg. So that's how to make a springtime asparagus dish with the classic French sauce gribiche. If you'd like to learn other ways to poach an egg, I'll include a link to the video in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, y'all. So that's how to make a So that's how to make a classic springtime, okay.